Welcome to J&J's test video, S6HU255, a Hummer that we bought off the street. Has a little bit of miles on it, 269. Pretty nice, not wrecked. Has a good LQ4, running, driving, just, you know, somebody traded it in and that was it. There's a one owner, there's a big old stack of receipts and maintenance items in there, so looks like it'll be a good one. Spare tire carriage got a little surface rust, but it works. Everything's nice. Latches, got the Hummer guards, all that jazz. Extra parts, new radio. It's got some carbon trim. Door panels work. Folding mirror works. I already sold the sunroof. All right, let's test those mirrors and show you the engine. Let's do it the other way. Nice and quiet. Not too bad. Some people say that's a lot of miles. I don't know. Alright, mirrors fold in. There they go. Fold out. Test them out. Alright, CD player. Radio works, XM works. Oh, see, it seems like it has a disc stuck in there, but it says there's no disc. Oh, there it goes. Oh, maybe it don't work. Disc. No disc. Disc. I won't take the disc, huh? Well, there you go. You never know when stuff works and doesn't work till you try it. Alright, I did that. Let's shut the hood and drive it real quick. Shame. Nobody wanted to drive it. Worth more in parts sometimes than they are altogether. Had to pull the headliner or the sunroof out of this thing for another customer. Transmission works. Runs nice. Shifts nice. Put the transfer case in. Let's turn the air conditioning on. Oh Lord. Let's put the transfer case in low. Little motor worked. Boom, boom. There's low gear. Woo! Alright. Back to high. 4 high. Locky lock. See if it goes. Oh, it even went that one, huh? It's a all good working one. Back in high. Let's try one more. Alright, went through all the gauges. That's it. Alright, and as always, thank you for watching J&J's test video, S6HU255. Thank you.